That's exactly how you want them. Now let's just go ahead and slide this over to the side and bring our bowl right in. Ooh, yum. Okay, here we go. We just put in a whole large 16-ounce container of Cool Whip. Added to that some instant chocolate Jell-O pudding. I'm just gonna dump that right in there. Yum, look at this. Walter is even trying. Walter, are you trying to join the party here? I think he heard us causing a ruckus as we were getting our Oreos all smashed up and ready. Is that what was going on? So now we are just whipping together some chocolate pudding with our large container of Cool Whip. Just mixing this and folding it in, making it all mixed together. This super easy chocolate mousse. Easiest way to make chocolate mousse. I don't know if you've ever tried it. Have you ever tried it before or made mousse using the instant Jell-O pudding and the Cool Whip? Tell me all about it. This is looking so good, and it looks like we have all of that powdered Jell-O mix mixed up into this Cool Whip. We are just going to tap off our spatula here and stick this in the fridge until we're ready to use it again. And look, Walter has a, oh, there you go, Walter. You can lick your hands. I think he's happy now. Adding a little orange chocolate to our double boiler.
I thought it was the carrots.
We'll just wait and see what we're gonna do with this orange chocolate. For now, we're just stirring it all up. We wanna get all of that melted. So just keep stirring it, don't let the chocolate burn. All right, I'm just gonna give this one last stir here. And then I'm going to turn this all the way down. Let's just turn this heat down to all the way low. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that water is getting hot. I can feel it underneath steaming. That is good, and we are ready for action. I'm going to come in with some fresh strawberries here. Ooh, you know what we're doing with this. We are going to take our strawberries, and you want to grab it by the green part. So get all of that out of the way, and we're just gonna start. Look at that. We're starting to swirl our strawberry all in this delicious chocolate right here. Oh my goodness. Yes, let's just take that out. We're gonna set it right here on our parchment paper. Yum. Who does not love chocolate covered strawberries? Look at how good that looks. It just sticks so perfectly to this strawberry right here. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Just take it out and transfer it right over. Now before these two dry, I want to go in and sprinkle. I have some orange sprinkles here, and I just want to put it on this chocolate right here, just because I want it to harden up with the sprinkles there. That's perfect. Okay. Look at how cute these look. Oh my gosh, you guys, don't those look, those are starting to look like little carrots, aren't they? Okay, let's go ahead and put this to the side. And I got these cute little dishes that I'm just going to place right down here. These were perfect. I found them at the dollar store. Super cute. Okay, there we go. Now we're coming in with the chocolate mousse that we made earlier, and we're just going to scoop it out. Wow, look at how perfect that is. We're just gonna scoop a little bit of this chocolate mousse out, You guys, this is so fluffy. Ooh, it smells decadent. I'm just gonna put a scoop each, just kind of plumping it right here. Whoops. Hey, at least they're making it right in that cup right there. Now remember those Oreos that we just smashed up earlier? We're just gonna take them and we're piling them all on the top here of our chocolate mousse. Ooh, I used the dark chocolate Oreos because I wanted them to be all brown. And that would be my suggestion, but of course, if you couldn't find them, which I think that now I feel like the grocery stores have all the different kinds of Oreos. Don't you think, babe? I mean, I feel like,
yeah, I think so.
I feel like they're pretty available. So look at that. We're just easily going through and we're just sticking all of these little smashed up pieces of Oreos on top of our mousse here. And I think I might just have the perfect amount. Cute. I love it.
Wow.
Now for the best part, we're gonna take these big, juicy, delicious strawberries and look, we're just gonna stick them right into our dirt that we just made. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like a little carrot just coming right out of the dirt here. How cute are these fun little Easter treats? Oh my goodness, you guys, look at these. Look at that, we are all done, you guys. These were so easy, and look at how cute this is. We have our chocolate mousse and our crumbled Oreos and our perfectly dipped strawberry with orange. It looks like a little carrot coming out of the mud, and I love this idea. Now you better believe I am taking a big bite into the strawberry. Look at how, wow, that is so juicy. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna come in and scoop up some of this Oreo and this mousse, and I'm just gonna go for it. What a good and cute idea for a spring treat. I love this idea. I wanna know, would you make this? Would you eat this? Do you like chocolate covered strawberries? Are you as excited about this as I am? Oh my gosh, I love these. They're the cutest.